So now we have dear King Khan, since you're advising her on Heartbreak, let us ask you about some other characters. My most favorite character that you played was Sunil in Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na. Now what advice would you give Sunil sitting here, because this movie is also set in Goa. We also had young Sunil in Goa, lost, heartbroken. What advice now would you give him?
He was beautiful, I think.
Yeah, no advice.
No advice at all. He goes to the girl and tells her, मैं तुमसे बहुत 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 प्यार करता हूँ, मैं तुम्हें बहुत खुश रखूँगा, और मैं दिखने में ठीक नहीं हूँ, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, but the one thing I can offer you is love. I don't think you can advise Sunil. और वो लड़की के घर में खिड़की से ज़्यादा दरवाजे से नहीं जाता. I mean, how much more can you? You can't teach a man like him anything, and he's so happy. He's so happy. You know, उसमें एक scene था फिल्म में, which is one of my favorite scenes ever in the history of mankind. लास्ट सीन था जब उसकी अंगूठी गुम जाती है, एंड द सीन वाज एक्चुअली रिटन, आंखों में आंसू होठों में मुस्कान, दैट ही टर्न्स अराउंड एंड सेज अंगूठी मिल गई, एंड ही काइंड ऑफ सैक्रिफाइसेस हिज लव फॉर दीपक एंड सुचित्रा. आई कुडंट डू इट, एंड एवरी टाइम वो अंगूठी गुम से ही सेड नहीं मिली, बिकॉज ही थॉट अगर वो शायद अंगूठी गुम जाए तो शादी रुक जाएगी. सो आई थिंक दैट इज अ डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ लव. आई वुडंट बी एबल टू, आई वुड टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम सुनील.
Yeah.
Most endearing character of yours and my most favorite film. Ranbir Kapoor's character in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, what advice would Jahangir Khan give him? Because he's also...
I think I did give it to him already in the film. Unfortunately, I've not had the time because of Dear Zindagi and Race to really sit down and watch the film. And I'll catch up with it. But I think जब मैं फिल्म में एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत कुछ और होती है, जिससे तुम सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार करते हो, उसी की ज़रूरत नहीं होती ज़िंदगी में. ऐसा हो सकता है कि कोई प्यार. Yeah, I think... I know it's better to have loved and lost than to never have loved at all. Is a sad thing, but yeah, एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. I believe that. I truly believe that. It's not just a movie like it.
Have you been through that phase, that ek tarfa pyar?
I would not say, I don't know.
मेरा है, मेरा एंजेलिना जोली का एक तरफा प्यार.
And also the advice you would give Alia's character in Kapoor and Sons. Dear King.
मैंने कपूर वाली कोई फिल्म ही नहीं देखी है.